So we start out today's video with this DIY mirror design. She does like 3 different styles for this one. So it looks like she used a combination of tape and cardboard, some plaster, very cool. I've actually never seen this before where someone did like 3 of these particular style mirrors. They're very popular on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making a table design. I really like the shape that she does for this table. We saw it in the beginning, very unique and different. So those are the legs, there is the top, and she does this really funky color for this one. Oh, she did 2 different, okay, so this is kind of like spinning the way that she did it here. And this is such a pretty like orange color. Oh, wow, so cute. She probably DIY'd that lamp too, very creative. Next up, we have someone turning their table into more of like that plaster style. This is a big table to work with too. Also, I'm picturing this table with that like stone tile on top. I think that would be so pretty. Yeah, if they put that stone tile on top of this, this would just elevate the table even further. I mean, this came out good and I love the way that they decorated. But yeah, the stone on top, oh, that would be like perfection. So then we have this DIY lamp design here. Now this looks like a lot going on. Very cool, definitely something different. And then we have another lamp style DIY. I feel like this kind of look is trending. Oh, they're using an old Pantene bottle. It's gold, so that's kind of funny. Wow. So cute, such a fun idea. Easy one board DIY. So I would say that this is easy if you know how to work with wood. If you don't know how to work with wood, I'm sure that this would be quite difficult. So I'm wondering what he's making here. Some shelving. Okay, definitely not shelving. Oh, it looks like maybe a bench or a table. Oh, a cute little like side table. Oh, that's cute. I like how it like goes over the couch so you can just like set your drinks right there when you're like chilling watching TV. I like that idea. So then we have this lamp revamp. So she's just, oh, she's painting this gold, spray painting gold. I like it already. Okay, an IKEA lampshade. Oh, whoa. Okay, IKEA has this really cool lampshade. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the gold and the white. Oh my goodness. Wow, she did a great job on this. Now I'm probably just saying that because this is like definitely my aesthetic and style. I just love gold, white, and black. So this lamp is everything. Wow, so pretty. Very cool. And then we have another furniture flip. So they bought this off Facebook. And looks like they just painted it white and then did the knob and detailing in gold. Put some wheels on it. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. I'm going to leave you with this last DIY table design. If you guys were able to find some inspiration within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.